This is going to be a video tutorial on how to manually change your time zone in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To manually change your time zone in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Time and Language. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Date and Time. And then right up top here, Set Time Zone Automatically, you want to toggle this off. And that brings up a couple more lines. And right here, Time Zone, this is what I currently have my time zone set to. I'm going to click the drop down, and I can change that to anything I want to. I'm going to leave mine be, but that is how you change your time zone in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.